Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. My granddaughter Mary Jane and I are going to make a ghost hand today. And we're going to do it for Halloween, right, Mary Jane?
Yeah.
Yes. And do you know how to make a ghost dance? Put a little boogie in it.
Good one, Grandpa.
Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take scotch tape, not that one, because we don't like it anymore. And we're going to start it this way with the sticky side up. Right, Mary Jane?
Away from the skin.
Away from the skin, so that it doesn't touch the skin.
Side away from the skin.
Right.
How do you even connect that?
See? Nice and loose, right?
Yeah, it's loose.
Okay, now we got to put another piece on there. As we go up the finger. And you don't want the finger at the top being pointed, so we fold some over the top of that. Because you want to show the shape of the nail, the finger, I mean. You laughing at me, kid?
What?
You laughing at me, kid?
I never laugh.
No, don't laugh at me! I whine like a baby. Okay, see, here's the top of the finger. Close these fingers down here. I'm going to leave this one up. I want to show everybody what we do for that one. So what we're going to do...
I need to zoom in, actually.
Yeah.
I don't think they're seeing anything.
Well, it's hard to see with this invisible tape.
And this is just packing, clear packing tape, right?
No, this is scotch tape.
Oh, this one is scotch
This one's scotch tape.
Yeah, don't listen to
Okay,
me.
let me see, Mary Jane. Let's see. Yes. Okay, let's see. We put this over this way.
I'm doing close-ups right now.
Oh.
We go like that. So that way it keeps the shape of Mary Jane's finger. See, at the
Was
top,
it
but it's not
sticky
pointed.
up or
With the
down?
sticky up.
Oh, okay.
It's all with the sticky up right now.
Okay.
Stick them up! Okay?
Okay.
And we'll bring you right back when we get the rest of the fingers done. Because it's a long process. But this is how you do a ghost hand.
My hand's already.
Okay?
So this is now the clear packing tape.
Yeah, this is packing tape.
And you've already done your fingers separately, so we're
Yeah.
bringing in a row of this around the hand.
Right?
And then you can attach the fingers to that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's right. Okay, Mary Jane.
I'm being as still as possible.
You're holding still very well.
Okay.
Yeah, because then you can roll it down your arm like that, right?
I need one more piece. You got to keep your hands perfectly still right there, okay? Now don't go any, because I got to go right around with that one. This one here, so it's got to go like this.
Oh, I see. And then you attach your fingers to that.
Right.
And then I
Okay.
see a little excess skin right here.
Yeah, it's okay.
It'll
all come together.
You'll see. You're going to get 4 layers going the other direction as soon as your fingers are
Okay.
attached.
So,
And we'll bring you back.
I got it.
Now the attaching of the appendages to the
The
hand.
sticky part to the hand.
So you reversed it.
Yep. Reversed it now.
Hi, Dee.
Okay. Hold your hand up here, please. Straight. It goes straight up in the air. There you go. Oh, I see a spot I missed here.
Straight face.
Yeah, right there, right?
Yeah, there.
This is going to be so cool. And you're going to be able to take it home.
Yeah, I gotta get them too, Mary Jane.
Yeah.
When you're all done, we should just leave her like that. So now the tape is on
The sticky side in.
sticky side down
Down, yes.
against the skin,
Against
which
the
is
skin. Yes,
on
because the other packing's
tape.
already done.
Yeah,
Now I want to
sorry.
make it a little bit longer. So I gotta,
I mean, we're doing 2 parts. Like this part's
Yeah.
gonna be separate.
oh, that's right too. Gotta,
Yeah,
that's the second one, right?
but I think you want a little longer at the wrist.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, like right over here.
Okay, watch your fingers.
This is the next part's really quick.
Release for a minute.
Wait till your mom and dad see this.
Oh, they're gonna flip. Just like Ruby Tuesday.
Your cousin Sean did his whole body.
I mean,
Okay, ready? Da, 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 da. I think we're low.
So against the skin, this tape is sticky up, and
Yep.
on top of that, it's sticky down.
Sticky down. Oh. One more part there, Mary Jane. I think we're just about done. That part in the hand.
one more part and then we're cutting.
No, then we're gonna try to get it off. Yep. Then we're gonna do your wrist, your arm, I mean. Okay. So that's the hand done. Okay, ready, Mary Jane? Now we're going to try to wiggle it out. Wiggle your fingers a bit. Oh,
Little at a time.
that one came off.
We can tape it.
Yeah, that can be taped up. Back on there, and I sort of flip it over here.
Mary Jane, you will now have a hand to take home. That's yours. And wait till you see the next part.
Okay, so what I did is I cut it off Mary Jane's hand, but we will be taping that back together, like that, right? There goes the hand. And what I'm doing at the top to make them so they're not flat, little pieces of tape over top of it. Sticky side down. Duh. And then you shape the tops of them so they're not square. Because no ghost has square fingers
That we know of.
that we know of. Unless they're from a different dimension.
You will never see the cut.
Nope.
So with a little bit of packing tape, you can make your own ghostly decorations this Halloween, guys.
See that? That did it. Arm next.
brains.
And that'll be, it's a lot easier, the arm. But right now this is,
Yeah, only go up to the
how far do you want to go up? Right to there, yeah. It'll be easy to
This
come
here
out.
would be too long.
Oh, no way, man. I'm not going that far up.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's the hand done. See that, folks? Okay, we're going to put that there. And now we're going to do with the packing tape. I have to get this going good. So we know what the...
Mary Jane, this is your hand.
I know.
Looks like glass, doesn't it?
It does.
Hey, look at that, Mary Jane. Looks like glass. Okay, ready? You ready?
Yeah.
And still. Remember, still. Okay, we're going to go from here.
This last
Again,
part.
sticky side up. Not too tight. Because if you do, she'll cry like a baby. No, I'm kidding. Hold still. Hold still here. Don't let it touch the ground. Because I got... Okay. Good girl, because it'll stick to the table. Damn. Oh, okay.
Power up my arm. We didn't power up my arm.
Ready? See, put your arm up like this and leave it there. Okay?
Hi.
Okay.
And keep.
Surgically attaching the incision.
Ooh, I just
Can I have the hand, please? Thank you. And now, we're going to...
I'm a chicken.
There.
Bok, bok.
And then I'll...
I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken.
Okay, so it's starting to look like your hand now.
Yeah, I can see that.
And attaching it to the wrist.
Would have been better if it didn't get stuck together. The tape. There we go.
This is awesome.
Yep. Magooey Brothers.
Oh, you could do legs, feet, and have them standing so they're like knee down to the ground, so it looks like their ghostly feet are coming out.
Yep. You could. So long as you comatose them. The person that you're doing it to.
It's a hard sit still,
It's
isn't
very
it?
hard. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. I had to hold my hand like this for like 3 minutes.
There you go.
Oh my!
There we go.
That looks
do you think, Mary Jane?
awesome.
Okay, hold it up. Hold it for you, for the people, so they can see it.
Turn it.
So ghostly.
It is. That's awesome, guys. Good craft.
There are some imperfections, like a hole right there in the ear.
That can all be fixed with a piece of tape. So here's the ghostly hand. Look at that. That is so cool.
For you. There it is.
It's worth it.
Hi. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up the video. Look, it's a real hand coming up from behind the ghost and saying thumbs up.
Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe. And give us a thumbs up if you like it. And then give us that notification bell.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, 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 ding. And we'll see you next video.
Bye.